All right. Yes. What do you think about your yellow ball, Shep? Thank you. Good job. Good job. Hey, sweetheart. Yeah. Yeah. Are you looking there? I don't think there are any balls underneath there. Sometimes there are. Oh, yes. You found your red ball. Good job. Good job, Shep. Oops. Good job. Good job. Good job, Shep. Your red and yellow ball. Good job. Yeah. Good job, Shep. Yes, yes. Yes, I love you. You're so sweet. Yes. Yes, he's got a lot of energy. He's got a lot of energy. Oh, good job. You fitting it down its snout. Yes. Good job.